Tell me what's going on.
Well, first of all, I guess this is kind of a safety issue. I bought this car used, and when I got home last night, I shut it off, and it shut off without me putting it in park. And I realized this morning, just a little bit ago, when I went to get in it, that had happened. So now what's happening, they did just replace the battery in my one key fob, not both of them, but the one just got a new battery 2 weeks ago, maybe. And but now I put it in park, obviously, and so now I think I've done something. I probably have to have something reset, because when I push the key fob light flashes very quickly red, and the seatbelt light, and then the gauges go to the right and then back to the left real quick.
So it doesn't start?
No.
That's what I'm looking for. All right. And how about the main battery on the vehicle, the 12-volt battery?
Car battery?
Yes.
Under the hood?
Yep.
I have not replaced it. I know that hold on, I'm getting ready to. I have not replaced it. I do know that the bracket or the harness that is in pretty rough shape, but I'm lifting the hood right now. Hold on 1 second. I'm in the process of moving, and it's like, oh my God, what next?
Yeah.
One of them A's. The battery it's a AAA battery.
Do you know how old the battery is?
No, and I don't know how I'd find out. It looks like it could be a little bit older. I might need a new battery, because on top of it, I guess this is where the battery acid is in there's 6 little spots, but it looks like this one, something's come up out of there. It looks like there's some type of liquid or corrosion, but it's right around there. It's not on the terminals. It's right where one of the plugs is for the battery acid or whatever's in them.
Battery voltage is at?
I'm sorry, what's that?
You don't know what the battery voltage is at, do you?
No, I
Okay.
don't. I bought this car used, and I didn't even I'm a woman, so you know how that goes, but I didn't even realize till I got the car. I don't even have an owner's manual with this car. So
Okay. Well, if you're looking for some advice and you're looking for my opinion, I would recommend that you or someone load test that battery. Now, you can get one of these load testers, or you can have a mechanic or maybe an auto parts store or a shop load test the battery for you.
because I don't know.
Or you could try jumping it.
All right. Well, I don't really need to use it today, but starting tomorrow, I really need it. So My guys will be back here tomorrow, and I'll have them first thing to see if I can get it jumped or whatever. Right now, I just can't even get anywhere to buy a new battery or tester.
Right.
So that's what I'll try first. I sure hope this isn't anything crazy.
Would you like me to recommend a mobile mechanic? Would that help?
What's that?
Would you like me to recommend a mobile mechanic?
If you have any numbers or anything, that would be...
Okay. I'd be happy to send some information over in the chat here once we're off the phone. I'll send you a couple different links you can take a look at.
That'd be perfect. Like I said, I'm moving and on a deadline. I didn't think I was going to be, but now I am. So thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be happy to send it over. If you have any questions, just reply back online.
Okay, thank you.
You bet. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.